everyone, I'm Emily with Paint Couture, and today we are going to talk about our decoupage medium. We have a matte and a shine sheen and a few different sizes. It's always good to start with a white base because that's going to give you the nicest image. It's going to make your image pop the best if it has a white base. Here we have AB Studio decoupage paper number 1040, and I'm just going to cut out the lower right part, and this is what we're going to use to decoupage. Our decoupage medium in shine creates a beautiful medium luster finish. Our decoupage mediums are water-based and they are also water resistant. Our decoupage medium serves as a clear drying glue, but it can also work as a varnish. Before applying your decoupage medium, you want to be sure to stir and not shake it. This low VOC crafting medium is specifically formulated for decoupage papers, and it can also be used to do image transfers. You can use it on wood, paper, chipboard, ceramics, cardboard, fabric, or any other surfaces. Here I'm going to use it on this wood plaque, and I'm just applying it with a Paint Couture brush, and I'm applying it right to the surface where I'm going to put the decoupage paper over. After applying your decoupage medium to your surface, go ahead and place your paper right over it while it is still wet. Then you want to smooth out any bubbles, and right after that you want to apply another coat of your decoupage medium right over your paper. You can smooth out wrinkles or bumps in a variety of ways. You can use your fingers or a squeegee or a variety of other methods. Once your decoupage medium dries, then you can add all the other details to it that you'd like. If you have extra paper you need to trim, you can always use a sanding sponge and just sand off the sides of your piece. This is a really easy way to get a smooth, perfect border of your decoupage pieces. Paint Couture's decoupage medium is super easy to use and apply, and thanks to its built-in self-leveling properties, it creates a beautiful, smooth finish. Another great thing about our decoupage medium is that it works great with scrapbook paper. This image is from the scrapbooking set from ITD collection called The Search for Atlantis. We're going to apply it on the top of this box. So I am just going to trace the top, and I'm going to trace with a little bit of area around it because I want there to be a little bit of overhang of our scrapbook paper. That'll make it easier for me to trim it down after the decoupage medium dries to get the perfect fit. We are going to use the decoupage medium in matte, and again, before you use it, you want to thoroughly stir your mixture. Here is the cutout image we're going to use. And because scrapbook paper is thicker, we are going to use our mister bottle, and we are going to mist both sides of the scrapbook paper. By doing this, it will allow the paper to take the decoupage medium in better. After you mist both sides, you also want to wipe off any extra water. Now that we've misted our paper, we can go ahead and apply our decoupage medium in matte. I'm going to paint it right on the back of the surface of the paper because, again, scrapbooking paper is thicker and you really want your decoupage medium to soak into your image. Now I'm going to do the same process like I did with the decoupage rice paper, and I am going to apply a layer of the decoupage medium right on the surface. While your surface and paper are still wet with your decoupage medium, that is when you want to place your paper on top of the surface that you would like it on. Once you have your image in place, you will again paint another layer of your decoupage medium right on top of the image. Again, I'm going to use my nice synthetic Paint Couture brush, but you can also use a foam brush or a silicone paintbrush. If you don't have a squeegee to flatten out any bubbles or wrinkles, you can just use some saran wrap. I rolled up my saran wrap into a ball, and I am just going over the whole image to get rid of any bumps. Then I'm just going to go over with my nice brush, and I'm just going to smooth out the decoupage medium again once more. Wait until your image is fully dry, and then you can go ahead and trim off the extra paper. And again, I'm going to use the method as before by using a sanding sponge to sand down the edges to get rid of the extra paper. Here is the final look of our beautiful image with our decoupage medium in matte. Thank you so much for watching our decoupage medium tutorial.